Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs Fashion Jewelry Review. So today's fashion jewelry review, this is a summer or spring collection. This is a yellow color for the spring season. This color matches for the outfit for the spring and summer collection. Okay, so I have here a different shape of beads. Look, circle, like oval, and different types of stone like this. And this one is a crystal-like squares, and this one um, crazy cat. Crazy cat means a different shape of beads. Look at here. Okay, and this one also, and this one is coconut from the coconut shell. It's like a button types, and this one. So I'm gonna show you. I will wear this one. So if you are wearing plain, like plain blouse or a plain outfit, it is easy to identify, or it will emphasize on your neckline the color of your accessories. Since this is plain white, so if I'm going to wear the simple design and a plain color, so it's easy to emphasize the design. Look, so this is my fashion jewelry review. You look at here, this is just a plain white. So if you are wearing plain white or plain beige color or brown that is nearest to yellow. Nearest to yellow is golden brown, beige, light brown, and white or off-white. So it will emphasize the beauty of your accessories, because if you're wearing very colorful and printed, it will not emphasize the design, because it's already like a crowded when you see your accessories with the matching printed colors. Okay, printed blouse or outfit. So when you're wearing just simple color or a plain white or whatever, nearest to this color is beige or off-white or brown, so you can wear it like this. So it's very simple and look elegant, even though if it is a cheap kind of accessories. So be professional in choosing the right accessories to match for your outfit, and don't be over decorated with your body, because you look like a Christmas tree when you have too much accessories. And if your outfit is printed and more colors, it's okay if it's printed, but not too much colors, different colors. And if you're wearing, so your accessories will goes nothing, because when someone will look at you, the eyes is like daring already, because your outfit is already printed with different colors, and when you're wearing like this colorful also, so it will never emphasize the design or color. So they can, your outfit or your accessories will not be recognized anymore. Okay, so when you are wearing just simple uh, color or plain shirt or blouse, so very elegant looking. Okay, and you will wear like this. This is a simple uh, outfit. This is for under the blazer, this one, and you wear this one, and on the top is a blazer, and you have to tuck in and wear your slacks and with your uh, high heel. So that is very elegant looking, guys. Like this outfit, This is for office work, and on the top you have to wear the blazer. Okay, and this one you can tuck in a little bit on the front and wear your slacks. Okay, either it is linen. During summer you have to wear your linen slacks, or for office work you can wear the slacks that is used for your office uniform. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I hope you like this fashion jewelry review by Rafthelsa Vlogs. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new vlogs. This is all for today, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Ciao!